Got this Chirping cat toy from Five Below. It's a cat head. Or I guess maybe it's not a cat. I thought it was a cat head, but maybe that's the paws down there because the cheeks wouldn't be that far up. I mean, that's their little feet. Okay, so let me pull out the little thing that was behind. You guys want to play with this? You want it, Sylvia? Here they come. They all come running. They hear the toy. You guys want to play with it? Get it. You gotta push it to make it meow. They can't figure it out. You gotta push, look. You gotta push it around your paws. No? They can figure out how to, they need to push it first to get it to go. Oh, they're like, okay, we're done with that. We'll just go play in the tunnels now. Marilyn, look. They come when they hear it crying, but they don't know what to do with it. Is it a baby? It's a baby. Look, it's your white baby. It's Iceland. They'll probably be playing it when we're trying to go to bed. They'll figure out how to do it.